Hello guys, Rob here. I have been making mentions about this over the last couple weeks and have been getting lots of questions. But if you have an EOS Genesis block account, you need to claim your Telos before block 63 million, and I believe that is expected to occur on or around December 12th. So if you have an EOS Genesis block account and you have not claimed your TLOS tokens, you are at risk of losing them after that date. Because all token holders must agree to become members by accepting the mutual representations of this agreement, accounts that have no transactions 63 million blocks, approximately 365 days after the activation of the Telos network, are subject to deletion or nullification by the block producers at the time or in the future, provided no transactions have yet been made. Tokens in any deleted or nullified account will be removed from those accounts and deposited into the Exchange Token Reserve Fund, which is the account the Telos Economic Development Plan is based around. So right now, with the chain running at 0% inflation from the funds from the Exchange Reserve Fund, as well as supplying that extra 1 million TLOS per month to REX stakers, any of these unclaimed Telos will be added into this account to extend 0% inflation and the great REX returns even further into the future. The initial distribution of TLOS tokens went to EOS Genesis block account holders. So at the 1 year mark, or 63 million blocks in, any of those accounts who don't want their tokens or don't know they have their tokens, those are all just dead tokens. If you're an EOS Genesis block account holder and you don't want your Telos, or you just don't care about your Telos, all those Telos sitting in your Genesis Telos account are just useless to the network. So at this 1 year mark, or block 63 million, those accounts that have not performed an action can either be deleted on that day or someday in the future, just depending on when the block producers push this through, and all those tokens will be sent to the Exchange Reserve Fund to then be redistributed to continue 0% inflation for the chain and redistributed to REX stakers at 1 million TLOS per month, extending the economic development plan even further. So I'll leave a link below to this page. On this page, I put in the videos I did a year ago with claiming your Telos using Squirrel, as well as claiming your Telos using Scatter. These are a year old almost now, so the interface on both Squirrel and Scatter may be different from what's in the video, but the idea is the same. Basically, all you need to do to quote-unquote claim your Telos is download, run Squirrel or Scatter, or any Telos wallet, import your EOS Genesis keys. Genesis block accounts need their keys as they were at the Genesis block. If you have changed your Genesis block account keys, those keys will not work with your Genesis Telos account. So you need the keys from your EOS Genesis account as they were the day of the Genesis block. So day one of EOS. If you changed your EOS Genesis block account keys anytime after that, those keys will not work. You need the original Genesis block keys, because that's what the snapshot went off of. The snapshot is of the Genesis block, so it has no idea if you changed your keys or not. And once you have those keys imported into a Telos wallet, all you have to do is perform any action. You can stake, you can unstake, you can transfer tokens, you can vote, any action. Any action you do will prove that your account is active, and those will be your tokens. You have nothing else to worry about. After that, you are done. So this is only for Telos Genesis accounts. So Telos accounts with the exact same account name as an EOS Genesis block account name. Any other Telos account, you have nothing to worry about. This is only for Genesis accounts. And again, I'll leave a link to this page in the description below. You have until block 63 million. We are currently a little over block 61 million, and I believe the expected date is December 12th, where we will hit that block 63 million number. So that's it, guys. If you have an EOS Genesis block account and you have not performed any action with your Telos Genesis account yet, get on, put your Genesis keys into a Telos wallet, perform an action so you lock in your tokens. If you do not have a Telos account yet, check out the link in the description to this page where you can get your free Telos account. And this page also has tutorials on staking your TLOS tokens to Rex to take advantage of those great Rex returns right now thanks to the Telos Economic Development Plan. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. But that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the next one.